I'm Chase Gwynn, and I'm a part of the Back to School crew. I'm here to tell you about our outstanding Cabot Middle Schools. The principals at Cabot Middle School North are Susie Kelly, Micah House, and Toby Sprouse. The principals at Cabot Middle School South are Matt Sheets, Casey Hill, and Mandy Green. Middle school is amazing. It's 2 years of learning, fun, friends, and awesome activities. Open house will be a little different this year. Open house for traditional and digital students is Thursday, August 20th by appointment only. Your teacher postcard will have information on how to sign up for a time to meet your teacher and visit your new classroom. At open house, you'll receive bus and car rider information, be able to fill out forms for free and reduced price meals, and be able to put money in your student's lunch account. Breakfast is also free to all students again this year. How great is that? And here's more great news. Every student, whether they attend in classroom or digitally, will be assigned a Chromebook this year. Chromebooks will be given out at open house and the first week of school. If you borrowed one back in April, don't worry. Just bring it to open house and exchange it for your assigned device. Also, don't forget about paying your one-time $25 supply fee. You can pay by cash or check at open house or online. The link can be found on your school's website or under Resources for Parents. In addition to the supply fee, students are asked to bring a backpack, pencils, paper, and a clear drinking bottle. You may also want to get a protective carrying case for your Chromebook. If your student currently owes any fines, such as library or lunch charges, these can be taken care of during open house in your school's office. Now, this is an important reminder about the first 2 days of school. This includes Cabot Panther Digital Academy students. Only students whose last names begin with A through K will attend or log in on Monday, August 24th. Only students whose last names begin with L through Z will attend or log in on Tuesday, August 25th. The first day of school for all students will be Wednesday, August 26th. And one last thing, if you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, click on Student Registration at the top of the district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363. It's hard to believe a new school year is about to begin. I'm so excited, and I hope you are too.